Hello everyone, welcome back to pkmentor. In today's tutorial I will show you how to use the brand new custom label builder in the WoodMart theme. So first go to theme settings, click on shop, open the product labels and enable the option called custom label and then save the option. You need to make sure your theme is updated, then the option will show. Next, navigate to products, custom labels, click add new label. Here you can either choose one of the predefined layouts or create your design from scratch. So here I want to add predefined layout, for example like this. And then click on the button. And here you can see the predefined label is showing. Here you can add text, icon, images, container to edit the badge as per your requirements. So I want to change text like here pkmentor. So you can add more widgets, text, icon, images in the label. So here I have added only the text. You can customize color, spacing, border, typography, width and alignment to match your store design. So you can add dynamic content in the label. This custom label will work only in Gutenberg. You can't edit it with Elementor. And here in the style tab you can edit the label configurations, set alignment, set margin, set padding and then save the option. After saving the label, go to your website and refresh the site, and here you can see after refreshing the site the custom label is showing. Here you can see custom label is showing on this site, but he is showing on all products. The most powerful feature is the condition system in the label. Open the settings and go to the advanced tab. Here you can show the condition. Here you can show label based on product categories, tags, product IDs, attributes, stock status, user stock status, sales products and for out of stock products. So here I want to set only for the category. For example, I want to set it for furniture category and save the option. And now the custom label is showing only on furniture category. Okay, here you can see the label is showing only on furniture category. You can combine multiple conditions to create highly targeted product badges in products. If you are using the default WoodMart layouts, labels will automatically appear when the conditions are matched. So if you are using single product layout and want to show the product label in the single product page, not over the image, then you need to edit the single product layout. Edit the single product layout and add the product label widgets in the single product layout to show the label in the single product page. Here you can see Here you can set the product label which you want to show, but I have only one labels. So after saving the layout, here you can see the product label is showing after the short description. You can change the position in the layout where you want to show it. You can disable it you can disable it above the image and show it in the single product page, like under the product title, under the product short description, under the product long description. So here you can see in the product grid the label is showing in the left corner. If you want to move into right or the right bottom, you need to create a loop layout builder. Here you can see I have created a loop layout atom. You can edit the loop atom layout builder. In Gutenberg you can't edit it with Elementor, so you can add the label widgets in the loop atom to show the label where you want. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.